Hello, my name is Martin and I'm working in the Research and Development Department of m-tec. You can control the Duo-Mix Connect with remote control. You have two possibilities. One is with the opc-ua interface and one is with a hardware interface. Today now I will show you how it works when you control the machine with the hardware interface. In the delivery of the machine, you can find some different plugs. One of the plug is for the emergency stop for external, and one of the plug is for the hardware interface, where you can put on your wires for your PLC, where you can start and stop and control the machine. How to mount the wires to the plug, you can see on the separate video at Sensors. The mapping of the pins you can get from our sales department. To explain you how the hardware interface will work, we have here a simulation. We had here the emergency stop externally on this plug. And on this plug we can get some signals from your PLC, and you get some signals from the Duo-Mix Connect to your PLC. We need from your PLC some different signals. One signal is a wire bridge in the plug that the remote control plug is connected. We need a start-stop signal from your PLC, and we need a 4 to 20 milliamp signals for the speed of the mixing pump. From the Duo-Mix you get also some signals. Speed of the mixing pump, machine is ready for operation, mixing pump is running, mixer is running, machine has an error, and two contacts that the safety switches on the machines are closed. If the functions are wired, you can connect the plug to the Duo-Mix. First, open the door. Then disconnect the frequency converter. Disconnect the emergency stop plug with the bridges and connect your external emergency stop. Next, connect the plug for the hardware interface. Turn the frequency converter back and connect it again. Now you are ready to start and stop the Duo-Mix Connect with the hardware interface. First, you have to turn on the switch to remote. Then put the green button on, start the pump, start the mixer. Then you get the signal, machine is ready to start. Now you can start the machine with an external contact from your PLC. With the external 4 to 20 milliamps, you can adjust the speed of the mixing pump. Now you are ready to use the Duo-Mix Connect with all of its advantages.